In the previous tutorial, we have completed the market query streams for the stream processing. Once we have stream process completed, the event will be projected into two different dimensions. One is from the error code to the error object. So this is a key value pair. The other is from host to a list of arrows belongs to the same host. So let's take a look at the get handler, how we implement this. So the first, let's take a look at GetError. The GetError just I copied from this get block, and the GetError by code is copied from get block by ID and made some adjustment. The GetError is very simple. It's just a get. It's just a get a list of error codes from for host. So first we get a host. We get offset and the limit. This is coming from UI. Offset limit coming from the pagination. And after this, we basically get to the host store and query the data. If data not equal to null, we get the list. So from this list object, we construct the arrows and the total, which is total number of the entries for pagination. Here we just generate the right list of object for that particular page, and after that we return the result. Change the basically using the JSON mapper to change the result map into a string and return it. There is another situation. If the host is not on this particular instance, then we need to query another instance. This is the way to get metadata from the stream. And from here, we can construct the URL to say which instance got the data. And after that, we basically call this hybrid query client, GetError, basically the same URL to get the arrow from another instance. When we, if this is succeed, then we return this to the user. Otherwise, we basically return object not found error. This is the GetError by code, which meaning we get only one entry from the error store. So we get the error code. We have host, and we construct the key host plus error code, and we get error store. After this, we're using the key to query the error store to get the data. If data not equal to null, we basically return the information. However, before that, we need to get the resolution because, as you remember, when we save the created in the command handlers, we basically save the resolution into a file system file. So we need to read from file system and put the resolution into the result map and construct the map again from a JSON mapper to a string. Another situation, if the error code is not in the particular instance, we need to query the metadata to get which instance contains this error code, and we do a query get error by code by calling the hybrid query client. Now let's take a look at the client implementation. Here we need to add two methods into the hybrid query client. Let's take a look at the client update. This is a query client. I added those two methods. One is a GetError, the other one is a GetError by code. Yeah, that's pretty much like what we are doing for the query side. Thank you. Bye.